Hello everyone, here is Elena Sunglory with you. Sunglory Group is the #1 kitchenware and drinkware sport solution maker in Asia. We have 53 staffs in Guangzhou headquarters, more than 600 staffs in factories, including R&D team with more than 70 engineers and a service team more than 50 engineers. Our factory established in 1966. We dedicate in cookware automation, machine manufacturing, and technology know-how since 2006. Nowadays, domestic manufacturing is blooming all over the world. Most of our customers can cover the investment within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. We believe and act the philosophy, altruism and happiness under BSC principle up to 2023. We have set up 52 A to Z production lines all over the world. 7 service centers in China, Bangladesh, India, Turkey, Egypt, Algeria, Mexico are supporting daily regular production for more than 410 customers in more than 30 countries, and 37 of our customers have been #1 in their segment market. We started turnkey solutions of cookware, glass lid making since 2011. Then water bottles since 2017. Cutlery kitchen knife since 2021. This year, we expand A to Z production solutions of small home appliances, especially electrical kettles, rice cookers, air fryer, house using water filters, and OTG.
Hello everyone, this is Jessie from Sunglory.
大家好，我叫唐在超，目前任职上冠设备制作部的厂长。
Mr. Tang have more than 27 years in powder and coating line. We can offer you most machines and service.
Hi, I am Franz. I am authorized engineer of Sunglory. I have 17 years experience in automation production line. I am responsible for all project maintenance and installation.
我是陈信华，我是上冠的工程师，我负责飞湖线的安装、调试以及员工培训、工艺培训。
Call us. Own your own factory, win more market.